Us African martial artists who have a long history of beating Asian and white martial artists in a fraction of a second, while they have to pay people like Kimbo to throw fights to make up for it, know that speed is the most important thing. I don't care how strong you are. I want the guy who can kill 100 people, in 10, 15 minutes or whatever, instead of the guy who can kill one guy in 15 minutes by overpowering him. Speed is more important. I am the guy who grew up going through the system in the fields, hanging in the streets with Crips. I have 5 stab wounds on my body. Okay? A guy 3 years older than me, who was my brother's friend, I decided not to kill, but to block and grab instead, confronted me in ancient martial arts combat, and I chased him off. And when all was said and done, you can ask my parents. I am the top martial artist. They are some suburban theory, pseudoscientific theory having martial arts science, media, propaganda bitch that has their daughter or family member sleeping with some rich person so they can be famous and have financial stability and their own martial arts school. Who do you think is better? The $100,000 challenge guy with over 100 no victory? So 97, undefeated for 20 fucking years in the most populated state, calling these people out for 5 years now? Or some fucking suburban, little, liberal person twisting martial arts, who has never even been in a fight in their life. I grew up gangbanging in California. I've applied martial arts, not just in sparring, buddy. And all you want to do is sit there and talk presentation and rank. Let me tell you something. When we were chasing the Hittites the fuck out of Dodge and they were swimming across like a little bitch, okay? Like a little bitch praying to Poseidon or some bitch shit like that they won't drown. Okay, when the god of the ocean became your god and the god of the Mediterranean and Red Sea became pussies like you's god, okay? When we expelled you bitches, there was no, when we were swimming away, were you yelling over your shoulder, hey, I'm a 50th degree black belt? Or were you just swimming away? Rank means shit. Okay? When Kato got laid out, boom, one hit, just like that, by Makakao. And he was the jiu-jitsu champion of all Japan, of all the world, of all Japanese in the world. He was known as the #1 jiu-jitsu guy. He was chosen and brought for that purpose, laid out that fast. When he woke up, did he say, well, it's okay because I'm better, because more people know who I am in Japan? Or did he, unlike you people, have the honor to admit that it is not okay to team up with organized crime, pigs, devils, and assorted trash, secret societies, to pretend that you're better? It is never honorable to watch the top martial artist be gang stalked, knowing that no one moves anywhere near as fast as he does, and no one is anywhere near as smart. So I will end by saying this. Bruce Lee said, famously, that there are people who are faster than he is, and I am one of them. He says he beats them by being smarter than they are. Unfortunately, we would all laugh if he said that about me, right? I'm a software engineer, buddy. 175 IQ. You're just a guy who says be like water. For some reason, I think that pales compared to even my worst poem. I am far more intelligent than Bruce Lee was. And I come from superior stock. And I am faster than he was. He'd have to do 20 hits approximately from his range. He's about 5'8", I believe. A little bit taller. See, De La Hoya's 5'10", Bruce Lee's 5'8". Both of them are taller than the average person of their race, and that proves my point. I don't even need to use Ali being about my height as an example. I don't even need to use Wilder or John Jones. We all know that naturally, the top martial artist is almost certainly going to be a taller guy. He's not going to be Dikembe Mutombo and uncoordinated. He's going to be tall as he can be without losing that coordination. 6'4", 6'5". And one can say God naturally selected him to be that. And that everyone else is a jealous little bitch in more than one way. Thank you.